Okay, so you can see those wire with heat printer box with wire. So let's check at the back. So this is power. This is 8 pin. This is 4 pin. For 4 pin, we connect to this one with machine. Okay, just insert and fix it. For this one, 8 pin. This is the 8 pin. And install it at the back for 8 pin, 8 pin. Okay. Install it. Now for this one is power. Okay, let's install it. So this is power for heat printer. So another side of 8 pin, you have to connect to the printer. This one. See, this is 8 pin. Just insert and fix it. Okay, now you get 2 plug. One for the machine, another one is for printer. Okay.